G'day guys, Warwick from SLRV and welcome back. I know we haven't done a video for quite some time, but we've been absolutely flat out. As you can see, we've got a heap of trucks. We're going to take you for a little tour through the factory and see what we've been up to. Right behind me here, we've got a brand new SLRV Adventurer 4 on the Isuzu NPS. This rig's going out to some lucky owners today. So yeah, we're really looking forward to handing that one over. There will also be a separate little video on that one as well, so make sure you check it out. Let's go around the yard and through the shed and see what we've got going on. All right guys, let's head this way and have a look. Quick sneak peek down the front shed there as well. You'll see a couple of big rigs and we'll go in there and have a look shortly. Iveco Daily 4x4. This thing has the Adventurer 4 body, so of course our Adventurer 4 is available with the Isuzu NPS or the Iveco Daily. We've got another one around the corner that's nearly finished. We'll have a look at that soon. This one still needs its wheel, tyre and suspension combo. Heading down here, the big rig, the Tatra Commander 8x8. As you might have seen down the front there, we've got another one of these exactly the same on the go. They're both nearly finished. They're actually twin trucks, so the only thing that's different in those is the colour. We'll have a bit more of a look at those in another video. Let's go this way. You can see down here we've got a heap of Grenadiers in here. Obviously we've been very busy with Expedition HQ, building a lot of custom rigs and builds for people to do sort of as a mini expedition vehicle. Over here something a little bit different. We had a customer come in and they love this Eldoret blue colour on the Grenadier, so they decided they want their Adventurer 4 the same colour. There we go, so we'll match all the gel coat and that in. I think it's going to look amazing. Fairly dirty Grenadier there too. Second-hand rig, Adventurer 3 here. Pretty low Ks. That will be up for sale very soon. If you are interested in a second-hand rig, that's available very soon. Drop us an email, info@slrvexpedition.com.au. Again, another one getting ready for Adventurer 4. I think that one is next in line, the Eurocargo sleeper cab, 5.5 metre body. Awesome truck, comes with the big Michelin XZLs. Yeah, front and rear centre lockers, going to be an amazing rig. And we spoke about this one there a little earlier. Adventurer 4 on the Iveco Daily. Now this one has our brand new 19.5 inch wheel and tyre combo. So I've managed to get the bigger tyre on there, wider rim. So that's the same combo that we run on the Isuzu model. Again, Adventurer 4 body. That's going to be a pretty cool rig. We'll have a completion video on that very soon as well. Let's head round to that main shed and we'll have a look down there. Come down the main entry factory here. Again, you'll see another big rig. Tatra Commander 8x8. Exactly the same as the other one, but this one here is in the olive green colour. As we head down the factory here, a couple of big Commanders. So these are on the MAN TGM platform. Obviously one in white with a nice contrasting black and another one in the olive green here, so very popular sort of a colour. They're coming along very nicely. We have a third one I think around the corner there, so we'll do a video on that very soon. If we come down here, again another Adventurer 4 under construction. You know, everyone's always welcome to come and visit us, check out our trucks and check out our builds, how we build them, what goes into them. So as you come through the factory, there's always these trucks at different stages and it's great to be able to see how they're constructed and what goes into them. Now this is an even bigger 8x8, so this is our long wheelbase version. You can see here Commander 8x8 on the Tatra platform as well. This rig is going to be amazing. It's the first of this exact floor plan that we've done. But being a little longer, it actually has a complete separate bedroom at the back, shower toilet, massive galley kitchen and its own separate lounge up the front, which is available with an additional electric lift-up bed if you choose to have a few guests along. So Come down this way. Over here again, we've got the third of our Commanders that are in the shed at the moment. This one's just had the brand new wheel conversion on it. So we've got our 20-inch wheel there, a much wider rim, and we've fit up the new Michelin Force XZL. So amazing tyre you can see on these things. They're just absolutely huge. So you know, a good tyre for on-road and off-road. We'll be doing a feature video on this truck as soon as it's finished. So we'll look forward to that one. Next rig through after that is our Crew Cab FTS 800, 5.5 metre body on it. Again, this is going to be an absolutely awesome rig. Separate queen bed up the front there with a lounge under it. Nice big galley kitchen, ensuite and garage at the back. So really looking forward to having this one move through the factory, and we'll keep you updated on that one as it moves through as well. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for the quick tour around the factory, guys. As you can see, we've got a heap of cool stuff going on. Can't wait to bring you guys a lot more content on all that. Stay tuned for a short video tour of this Adventurer 4. Awesome rig. I'm sure the owners are really looking forward to getting on the road in this thing. If you want to see the Adventurer 4 in full detail, make sure you check out our original Adventurer 4 video. Until then, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.